Ito, this me. Ah, so there are $2 General over here. Near to our house.
There, honey.
No, I mean one near in our house and here.
Yeah, they're all over the place. There's one right there on by the Piggly Wiggly too. Remember?
I don't know. It's like a ghost town.
Oh yeah, compared to what it's normally.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Look at all the geese out there.
Yeah,
Oh,
look at the
they're
geese,
standing on
baby.
top of the pond.
Quack, quack. They're still looking
the
for
geese
food,
is
baby,
closed.
even if it's too cold.
McDonald's is closed. I can't believe that.
What'd you say?
McDonald's.
McDonald's is closed.
Close again. Mom, why all the sports cars closed? Mom, why all the sports cars closed? Mom?
Because it's an icy road, baby. It's very dangerous for people who work to go to work.
Mommy, your work is closed?
I think, I'm not sure, but some said it's open, some is saying no, because nobody will go to work. Maybe they let it open, but nobody wants to go to work like this. Very dangerous.
Oh yeah.
Mom, I don't see my snowman clear. I don't like it to be fall. I don't like it to clear.
It's 35 degrees outside right now, and that's what we want. We want it to stay like this all night long until that next cold front comes in. It'll help melt some of the stuff overnight. It'll just
And when there's a cold front coming, it will not become an ice that
will
much.
become an ice. Yeah,
It still become an ice.
it'll be all this will freeze over and it'll be just as hard as you can to walk on.
Very dangerous.
Yeah, all this stuff gets real slick. Jefferson County, Tennessee.
Dangerous curve ahead.
I'm trying to see some deer out here. Hear that ice?
Yeah.
Dum, dum, dum. That's the ice in the road.
You see how thick the snow in the road?
You see people been on it all day long. They get out and ride on it. That's what takes the roads to get better. The more you ride on it when it's 35 degrees, it creates friction, which is heat, and keeps the slushy. It makes it melt faster.
Oh, it really shake our car.
Feel it?
Yeah.
Go right by Amazon. Wait, we got ice cream. faster.
Got the skis.
Look at that road there. Just as ice as it can be too. Look.
Yeah.
There's Patrick's house.
Mhm.
You hear him, Daddy?
See it, baby?
There's Patrick's house. Look over there. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
That is slushy, slushy, slushy. You can feel it.
Mhm. I see it.
Oh, there comes the plows. Look. See it? Grading the truck. See it? Grading the road.
See it, baby?
Yeah?
That's DOT.
Where? Where, guys?
Plowing the road.
You didn't see the flashing lights back there? They're already gone. They're back there, baby. You can see the flashing lights everywhere, the yellow flashing lights.
Green flashing light?
Yellow flashing lights. Did you see them?
There's only yellow ones?
Yeah. Well, there's all colors of flashing lights, but that was yellow flashing lights.
Yellow.
I can't believe. See, this door's never open. That, I mean, I come by here like the other day. The ice cream coolers. I was gonna get some ice cream. Ice cream coolers out.
Nobody works.
No, it's always something wrong with it. It needs to be upgraded.
Yeah.